This deep scar on MotoGP riders' arms isn't from a crash, it's from surgery. And without it, many riders wouldn't even survive a race. MotoGP bikes can reach speeds close to 300 kilometers per hour. But when a rider enters a corner at that speed, they have to squeeze the brake lever incredibly hard to slow the bike down. In that moment, the rider's forearm can apply up to 15 kilograms of force. And a typical race lasts around 40 minutes, where riders may do this over 300 times. Because of that constant pressure, their forearm muscles start swelling. The pain becomes intense, and blood flow can actually get restricted. This condition is called arm pump. To fix it, many riders undergo a surgery called fasciotomy.